Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the on-screen keyboard so you can generate spaces when the physical spacebar is unavailable. Open Settings, go to Accessibility or Ease of Access, and turn on-screen keyboard. Once done, position the window where you can see the text field. Make sure a pointer device works, because you will click or tap the virtual space key. This step prevents accidental keystrokes and gives you immediate access to a functioning space key without hardware fixes. Now you use the virtual spacebar for actual spacing. Place your cursor in the text area and click the long space key on the on-screen keyboard. Do this for single or repeated spaces. If you need speed, combine virtual key clicks with shortcuts, copy, paste, or arrow navigation, so you avoid extra clicks. Make sure to resize the keyboard or switch layouts if keys are cramped. This improves accuracy and prevents missed spaces when you're composing longer text. To finish, close the on-screen keyboard when you're done to restore screen real estate and avoid accidental clicks. If the virtual space key lags or fails, restart the accessibility service or toggle the on-screen keyboard off and on. Make sure no other accessibility tools conflict. If problems persist, plug in a USB or Bluetooth keyboard as a temporary fallback while you schedule a hardware repair. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot before hard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.